Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to enable and disable developer options mode in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to navigate here at the bottom search bar and type for settings. Once you have typed it, please proceed with the best match and click on open to continue. You would be redirected to the settings window the moment you will click on open. All you need to do is you need to proceed directly at the left side of that where it has this list of the options and you need to proceed with an option called the system. So tap on it and here under the system tab you need to scroll down and look for an option called for developers which contains it intended for development use only. So tap to net and here you would be able to see a very first option which is developer mode. Now in order to enable such, okay, so all you need to do is you need to turn it on and by this way you would be able to install apps from any source including loose files. So click on yes to confirm and once done close this window and there you go, you have just enabled the developer mode in your Windows. But let's say if you want to disable such, then all you need to do is you need to navigate the same process, and that is here at the bottom search bar again, type for settings. Once you have typed it, go with the best match and click on open to continue. By the way, you can also use the keys which are by pressing Windows and I key together. There you go, you would be able to open the settings. Okay, so once you are here with the settings, please proceed to the left side of that. There you can see an option called System. Click on it. And under the System tab, all you need to do is you need to scroll down and look for developers. Click on it. And the option that we have just turned on, all you need to do is you need to turn it off and once you have turned it off, there you go. You have just successfully disabled the developer mode in your Windows. In this way, you would be able to stop from installing apps from any source, including loose files in your Windows or computer. So simply close this window and there you have that. You have just successfully disabled the developer mode in your Windows or computer. So those are the steps on how to enable and disable developer mode options in your Windows or computer. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.